So several months ago, I told y'all I was getting a dishwasher, and I've had a lot of people ask me what I think of it. So instead of telling y'all, I'm just going to show y'all. I did a pasta bake in this pan. It was in the oven for over an hour. It's pretty dried on there. I'm not going to soak it or anything. I'm putting it straight into the dishwasher, and I'm going to show y'all what it looks like when it comes out. This is what it looks like. Straight out of the dishwasher, no soaking, no scrubbing, nothing. I love my dishwasher. This is not sponsored, but I bought a Bosch dishwasher and don't mind that little chip in the bottom of my pan.